Now let's implement our custom feeder class. So only the thing is we need to implement to hide these buttons. Okay, these toolbar buttons remaining is fine. In case if you have any custom logic and all, you can handle that. That's not a problem. Like if you want to default this value, or if you want to handle some logic for the description or anything, okay, that you can handle that. If you go to the feeder class, this is our feeder class. Method to be implemented or hiding the form UABB toolbar buttons. Only this method, nothing else. Go inside. So first super class method will be executed, like the standard logic will be executed. So here whatever we are receiving the data, same data we pass to the super class. Okay, since we are overriding this one. Now for handling the UI toolbar buttons, not only here, in future also, if you want to handle the toolbar buttons visibility or anything, so you need to manipulate this one. CT action usage. So if you check the signature structure of this one, ID, okay, and enabled or disabled, you can do that. And visibility. If you want to completely hide, you need to control the visibility. Okay, if you go to the values, if you remember, same we have used it in the field properties body. 01 means none. So if you update the visibility property as 1, it will be hidden completely. 2 means it will be visible. Simple. So we'll just update 1 for all the toolbar buttons. We don't need any toolbar buttons. Okay, I'll just to loop it. So that means hidden. And we need to inform to the framework there is a change in the action usage. To hide the branch code form UAVB toolbar buttons. That's it. So toolbar buttons are hidden. Okay. Now let's see in the debugging how that is coming in. TT action usage. There are many internal things also already which were disabled. Okay. So now you see uh, create, delete, visibility is 2, but those are disabled for now. So we are just updating the visibility for them. Those are hidden already. Okay. Okay, that's the only change as per our requirement currently to handle in the feeder class. So I'll remove the breakpoint. Okay. So next we need to implement the handler class.